Hey everyone, I'll show you how to get a free Google Play gift card in just a few easy steps. Visit easecoupon.co/play or scan the QR code on the screen to go directly to the site. Once there, simply enter your email address to receive your gift card. I'm entering mine now so you can follow along. After that, select whether you're on iOS or Android. I'll pick Android since that's my device and click Continue. The system will immediately generate your Google Play gift card code. For verification, you need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are trusted, completely free, and have millions of downloads. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to register or reach a specific level in a game, like level 9 or 10. This step ensures that you're a real human and not a bot. Now I'll speed things up with some background music as I complete the apps. All set. Let me refresh my inbox. There it is, my Google Play gift card code. I can now use it for apps, movies, games, and more. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips. Enjoy spending your Google Play gift card.